Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Kumshibenta ban aiman CM ikisamla puli na kajala Tripura kibawan man puli haka Union Christian College Umber Haribhoy. U General Secretary joka KSU usamla Donald V Thaba. Ulalay banya don lang haka Freshest Meat Junkie kabala long haka Artrik jong unay lur ahza apulay. Haka ni kasilay don lang UCM ka Tripura upradyat manikya ubalalong kumukong san. Lapun pu pen pieng ru ya kani kasngi da kijing shat ba kijing roi ba per balay shimbenta da kisamla kiban na kajala Tripura kibalawan man puli haka tika college.
Let's give a wonderful applause to our seniors who have worked so hard to give us this moment. Please, let us give a great round. Okay, my name is Laina Devarma. I am from Khwai district. I am currently pursuing my honors paper in mathematics. My hobbies are to dance, and my aim in life is to be a professor.
The Khasis and the indigenous inhabitants of Tripura are facing the same problem. You know, well, the country of India is born in 1957. Everyone is rejoicing that we are suffering. When the elimination of Bangladesh during the Bangladesh Liberation War 1971 was achieved, everyone is celebrating, the whole world is rejoicing because the oppressed people are being freed from the country of Pakistan. But the Tripuris and the Khasis are suffering. How to suffer, the world will know about it. We nearly became minorities in our own land. Our lands are being taken, our political rights are being snatched, our economical power are being reduced. We nearly lost almost everything. There are numerous movements here in Shillong, Meghalaya, whereby we demand from the government to address this influx or immigration problem that is still plaguing Meghalaya and the entire Northern region. Whenever we go to any program or any meeting, we always like to refer to Tripura. We always like to say, look at Tripura. What happened to Tripura? We should not be like Tripura. But as a matter of fact, we are more or less the same. Yes, we still have political power, but our economical power has been snatched away. Therefore, my fellow students, in order to tackle these problems, it is very important for us to unite as well. Not only the Khasis and the Tripuris, but all the indigenous people of the Northeast region. We should work together to solve our problem. And remember, my fellow students, that as a matter of fact, you can play a very important role for the betterment of your community. In order to have full administrative powers, we need bureaucrats. How do we get bureaucrats? That is, we must work hard, study hard. As a matter of fact, you should enjoy your work, you should enjoy your studies, so that your work and your studies won't be hard. We need more civil service candidates, aspirants. We need tribal IAS, because it is very important to have our own bureaucrats. Your people can understand you much more than another person coming from another state. And yes, bureaucrats can also manipulate with the laws and the governance of a particular state. We need to change all of that, and we need you to be the one. Do not only study the curriculum that is prescribed by a college or a university. We should read about a lot of things. You know, for me, ever since I was young, I read about almost everything that I can grasp. I know about the condition of Tripura. As a matter of fact, when I saw the movement for the new statehood for Tripura, I used to wonder how can they get a state within their own state. But then I also came to realize, after thorough research, that most of the land, almost 75%, is still in the tribal hands, which I can now understand why it is very important for the Tripura land movement, so that tribals can govern tribals. My dear students, I also saw that in Tripura there is a movement for the development of the Roman spirit for God. As I said earlier, that we share the same aspiration, I also saw in the newspapers that the people of Tripura are demanding for a unit in the HEU. At the same time, also the movement in the state is to include the Khasi language in the HEU. We hope that one day we can achieve it, and we need everything that we can get, right from the political powers, the politicians, the students, the CSOs, everyone that is concerned about this community. We should get our rights. We, the Meghalaya, Tripura, and Assam, are the only 3 states that are bereft of ILP. We really need ILP. One scholar from Delhi, from Jawaharlal Nehru University, asked me, why do you still want that outdated law? How can it protect you? If you have ILP, it means that you are building a wall around yourself, and you will not prosper, you will not develop. I replied to that scholar and I told him, yes, we will build a brick wall around ourselves, but with multiple doors so that people can come and enter. That is what we should make the people understand about the importance of ILP to safeguard rights of the tribal. To end my speech, I would like to convey this message to the freshers that remember, you came here to study, so don't waste your time. Yes, have fun. Meghalaya is a nice place. Go to Shillong City also, it's a nice place. But do not be consumed by the enjoyment that is available in this state. Try to balance your time. Remember that your parents invest almost everything.
What you think you become, Nindi the one so Nini future ni mohai nungu. Aman bagi tini ji one so mo, obviously tina mo kaye, belai sam mo kaye. Sini tini one so mo jadi kaham kerja, kerana sini future belai baik ni. Amar baik kerana kebanyakan orang ni ambition. Kewa IS, kewa dancing, kewa IPS, so kewa sustainable, kewa so it's good. Belai kaham sini society ni student rock si sekolah, especially si youth rock ni kaham langsung mo. Sini society ko belai usut kami kanai. Inai koi rumah si kanai, zoto ketal pressure samani koi rumah kanai, tapi kesam, zara berapa langsat kanai, berapa pressure kanai, mesti fellowship belai usia sama kanai. Kami bagi pressure orang sini cekik mal. Ang ini mui kamal, sini hawa zaman. Sini korang sini laya, MBB college saya, women's college saya, oh college sini korang datang layo, kaya bacing korang sini laya, tahu, ajar korang. Ulo sini intellectual lo, sini okra sini senior wang cuma nak aja sebaik segalai sini lagi nanggu sebaik semua siapa kaya sebaik sisi problem siapa kaya apa lagi sini officer sini itu fulfill so officer sini kaya dia sini fellowship sini course जो भी करी तो खाकर तीन officers की डिग्री का हुआ तीन officers semua clear mak kaya norok kaisa tai kesino masuk balai kaisa tai kesino koran malina kaisa tai koran je ya kami masuk balai si besar kena apa kena ni bagai kalau kami bagai pada sini begini hal kata kalau ini jodoh apa benda kalau kata si maaf jodoh yes si maaf si parents jodoh takwa kali boro UCC hai college का बसा कोई को कहां पे कोई फायदो अब तीन चीज जो लांचक समय रो सिर्फ किसान स्टूडेंट लोग ने रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दो कता लोग बाहर के काम करना है ऑफिसर्स लोग बाहर के यार लोग काम करना है वो डिफेंस खाने लोग खानी बिकॉज़ कता लोग नो लाना फुलना का किसान रो और किसान रो को भी कहां पे काम कैसे jenis society ni sebenarnya architect selama ini saya mana, norok saya mana. Jenis kami logi TSF kai, kami logi sendiri TSF kai. और TSF का Tripura Student Federation ni bini motu, bini aim, zoro. Ini gua kalau esok aja, semua sama di sini semua. Bisa pasai gua akan sesuai, jadi gua